Needed RX8 has an exhaust. Well, it's not on yet. I'm going to work on installing that. I do have a test pipe over there too, so I may think about, yeah, screw it. Let's see how much of a fight it'll be. Why not? Get the second piece on and get that in the hanger, and then get this test pipe on. I guess I'll try and do this one-handed, but this is probably one of the easiest and most expensive exhausts that I've ever put on. But I figure, you know, the hardware would be way better for $500. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to do this one-handed, so hold on. Put up. Just gotta do the test pipe now, and undecided on the tip if I want to put it on yet or not, but it's on. That's going on. I think I already smoked this converter and stuff. I don't know. Car started misfiring the other day. It's hot as balls, and I only had it running from here to there. So I attempt to get that O2 sensor out. I've got it shut off anyways for now, but I'll order one online because it's way cheaper than AutoZone or fucking Advanced. So we'll get this on, get it all tightened up, see if my misfire goes away. It's funny because it clears up, goes away, comes back, goes away. It's probably these brand new junk coils. I seem to have a lot of mishaps with these coils, but if somebody's got a stock intake they want to send me, that'd be awesome, because this thing is garbage, complete garbage. I extended it, put a screen in it to help it a little bit, but I don't know, somebody put a cheap weapon R on it. I cut it down to get the math where it's kind of supposed to go, but I'm still getting a lean code from it. So let me get this buttoned up and see what happens. But I'm gonna try and get this O2 sensor out. Why not? If I can, I'll put it in. If not, let's plug in, set this thing down on the ground, and get it fired up. Cool. I think this is the first oxygen sensor I've took out that didn't take the threads with it. Yeah, so I guess I'll put it in. Screw it. I had bad spark plugs. Awesome. I just took the spark plug out of my FC, and I moved it from the rear housing to the front housing, moved the misfire around, and then pulled the plug out and cleaned them up with some carb cleaner, and got rid of the misfire. Don't sound too bad. It's looking like I'm gonna need a knock sensor. Mazda, it's gonna freeze. But anyways, check engine lights on for a knock sensor, low input, but